Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever raised baby chicks, you know how exciting and rewarding it is, but also how nerve-wracking it can be when one of them suddenly becomes weak or sick. You check on them one moment and everything looks fine, but the next time you look, one chick is huddled in the corner, not eating and barely chirping. But don't worry today. I'll show you how to treat sickly and weak baby chicks instantly using simple, natural remedies that are safe, effective, and easy to use. Most of these ingredients you probably already have at home. So stick with me until the end of the video, and let's get your little chick back on its feet literally. Before we jump into the natural treatments, it's really important to recognize when a chick is unwell. Baby chicks, like human babies, can't tell you when they're sick, so we need to look for signs. If a chick is very quiet, sleeping more than usual, or not interested in food or water, it's a red flag. You might also notice it standing or sitting alone, with its wings drooping slightly or its head hanging low. Some chicks develop what's known as pasty butt, where poop gets stuck and blocks their vent. Others may struggle with labored breathing, puffed up feathers, or make strained chirping sounds. These are all indications that your chick is either sick, cold, dehydrated, or under some kind of stress. As soon as you notice these symptoms, early action is absolutely crucial. Now let's talk about natural ways to bring your baby chick back to health. The very first thing you should do is hydrate them using a homemade electrolyte solution. Mix warm water with a small amount of sugar, a pinch of salt, and a little baking soda. This combination helps quickly restore energy and replace lost minerals. Offer it to the chick using a dropper or a shallow dish. If the chick won't drink on its own, gently place a drop on the side of its beak and let it swallow naturally. Another amazing remedy is a garlic and honey tonic. Crush a single clove of garlic and place it in a cup of warm water. Add a teaspoon of raw honey. Let it steep for about 10 minutes, then strain and cool it before offering it to the chick. Garlic acts as a natural antibiotic, while honey gives the chick an instant energy boost. Give just a few drops at a time using a small dropper, and repeat every hour for the first few hours of treatment. One of the simplest things you can add to your chick's water is apple cider vinegar. Just 1 teaspoon per quart of water is enough. Apple cider vinegar helps improve digestion, boosts the immune system, and even reduces bad bacteria in the gut. This can be especially useful if your chick is suffering from pasty vent or general sluggishness due to poor gut health. Of course, treatment doesn't stop with just feeding. You must also provide the right environment for healing. Sick chicks need warmth more than usual. Keep the chick in a separate, clean box with dry bedding under a heat lamp, maintaining a temperature around 95 degrees Fahrenheit or 35 degrees Celsius. Quiet, warmth, and comfort are just as important as food and water at this stage. Make sure the chick has easy access to its water and mash, and check on it frequently. Softly talking or gently humming can also calm them down. Yes, your voice can actually help. Sometimes the chick is too weak to even peck or drink on its own. In that case, you can use a dropper to give it tiny amounts of fluid, preferably the electrolyte mix or garlic honey tonic at regular intervals. Be extremely gentle and only place the liquid on the side of the beak. Never squirt it directly down the throat, as this can lead to choking or aspiration. Now let's quickly talk about what not to do. First of all, never force feed a chick too aggressively. Their tiny bodies are extremely delicate. Never give cold water, as it can drop their body temperature and worsen the situation. Don't mix essential oils or herbs unless you're 100% sure they're safe for chicks. And please don't delay treatment. Waiting too long, even just a few hours, can mean the difference between life and death for a weak baby chick. Quick, calm, and informed action is your best chance of helping them survive. Raising chicks is a beautiful experience, but it comes with its fair share of challenges. The good news is, with just a little care and attention, you can save a weak chick and help it grow into a healthy, happy adult. These natural remedies have helped countless backyard chicken keepers, and I hope they help you too. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on natural animal care and homesteading. And hey, if you've ever had success treating a sick chick, drop your story in the comments below. I'd love to read it, and so would others. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy chick raising.